Do you know that for the last few hundred years, when the colonization was all over the world, these colonial powers were searching in India? I'm sure that you know about it all started with spice trade. So they were mainly into trade. And once they came in India, they found many more fortunes. But today, the fate is that India has the very low GDP per capita. We are not even having 4% of the global economical power. We say that we are one of the largest economy, but I think we can redo this. We are on a mission. I am at least on a mission to make sure that we can empower people like you and, of course, myself, and we can export Indian products to the global market. Because now the time is not the same. Now we can export using e-commerce. Now we can do digital marketing. We can do big amount of profits, and we can sell spices to the global market because now the time has changed and the value of spices is there so much. So I want you to be with me in this video till end so you can know how you can get started with a plug and play ready-made business. And yes, your investment is next to zero in this entire business. Whether you are right now working and you want to get financial freedom, this can be that business opportunity that you are looking for. Or even if you are into a business and you want to know or you want to do a business which can give you that big $1 million deal, this e-commerce export business can make that difference in your life completely. Or if you're a job seeker, I definitely want you to be into this video so you can learn the game of e-commerce exports with me by IIC. So what you're going to get is something interesting. I was researching top websites like Amazon, for example, and what you see here, this is so big, powerful number. If you want to start a business today, you can immediately make $1 million in 1 year itself. This is the power of e-commerce, especially in spices business. If you see this one, 20 jar spice rack with the spices included, they're charging $65 for this. 2,000 sales the last month. That means you're making close to, so you're basically making close to 12.5 crore rupees in this. So in a month, you're making about $128,000. In 12 months, you're making this much in dollar value. If you calculate in Indian rupees, this is the amount you're going to make. So that's a great amount of money just from single product you can do. But you should know how to do it. That is where I'll be guiding you for the whole step-by-step method, how you can do it. Okay, 1,000 people bought $13 product, $15, 1,000 sales. Just think the amount of sale that is happening only from Amazon. And this is not your own e-commerce store. This is some marketplace. This is one of the marketplaces. I'm talking about wholesale B2B. And you can see these products are also sold on Etsy, which is where people are just having homemade boxes and spices. 7,600, 4.9 star rating. That also at $20. And this is a global marketplace. And this is something which I'm sure that you have seen these kind of boxes. Now, same way if you go to Lazada, that is Singapore's website. These are, do you really think that this should be the price? 500 grams and these are the prices, okay? Go to this website, Rakuten. This is Japan's website. And these are same things that are our Indian herbs and spices that they're selling in their country. And these are all expensive. Same way, this is noon.com. This is an AED. I want you to be in this video for a reason. I want you to learn this because nobody is going to guide you and teach you what I'm telling you right now, because these things are secrets. No one wants to explore these things. People want to simply do it all by themselves. So these cooking spices and masala that we talk about in India, which we get normally at very normal prices, if you can actually build your own e-commerce store, I'll give you the whole ecosystem of whole spices, whatever you're seeing right now. We just have to make a website of spices and all these seed spices, all these masala mixes that you see here. These things we can simply list into the e-commerce store builder and start exporting them to the worldwide market. Using e-commerce, we can definitely do it. You know that. And you know what? There are restaurants, there are food chains, there are hotels, there are big convenience stores and malls. They all require these things in bulk always. And this is how you can actually get into a business of spice trade so easily, and you can make good amount of profits. Making profit in spice trade is very easy. I'm going to give you everything from my side as a plug and play model. This is a franchise opportunity where your investment is next to what? Nothing, because you are going to make money, and that also good profits, because suppliers or manufacturers, for example, if somebody is making this, we are simply listing their products and we are doing the trade. I'll be teaching you all these things. Now, why I want you to do this business? Because you may be working right now, you want that financial freedom, and you want somewhere you want to make big money. So I already have done it. This is my e-commerce store. These are 8,000 plus products which are listed in my e-commerce. This is, I'm showing the backend of my brand, that is Shripur. This is my analytics which is there. That means I have actually done some sales and all that I'm showing you. These are the list of softwares and tools which are already integrated, because I need to know that how much sale is happening through Facebook, how much is happening through Google Ads. I want to do my search engine optimization. I also want my products reviews and ratings. So whatever I am working on, I'm just going to make an entire copy and give it to you as it is for the store builder, where you can simply upload the list of products directly in bulk and update those products and start selling them. Not only that, I'm also giving you a lot of different themes so that you can change those themes and you can make your own design, your own theme. So it is all non-technical. It's very easy to do. So this program, which is called the master program, where it is an all-in-one program, here you are getting everything from me as a plug and play model. So you're getting all these things to learn, the 17 certifications as a bundle, and learning material in ebooks and white papers, case studies, infographics. I'm also giving you recorded lectures, and I'm also going to give you live classes along with these 17 certifications, everything included. You know what the main benefit is? The main benefit is you're investing in this. You're not spending money. When you start an e-commerce business with me, you're basically starting it as a startup, and you are going to get mentorship and guidance from me and my team with lifetime access, lifetime update, and lifetime support for the contents that you'll be getting. Everything that I'm giving you. We are also in news. We have been actively working in this sector of e-commerce exports, and you'll be having access of all the study material forever, so you can go through these contents. And this is some of my work for your confidence sake, that yes, we have worked in the past. This is with Amazon. Below you can see with Alibaba. He's an IS officer, and this is my own work with Amazon India. And these are some entrepreneurs whom we are guiding and mentoring. In the last 10 years, the only and only one focused work I have done is I have been training people, especially entrepreneurs, how they can export from India to the global market. And these are some of our affiliations. It's a fully accredited institution with the government of India. It's a Section 8 licensed institute. We have credibility with companies and institutions and also government bodies, Alibaba, Amazon, AICTE, World Trade Organization, and many universities and colleges are partners. With Tata Group, we have trained about 50,000 plus students. With Amazon, we have trained about 25,000 people and million plus sellers we've onboarded. With Alibaba, we have also done the similar thing. So a lot of work is done, and these are some of the best of the best experts in the market who are there with IISc today, and we all are working together so that we can give you the best of the knowledge that we have been doing. So since 2015 till now, we have been working, and what you are seeing right now, this all these certifications and approvals are there. You can recheck for the proof sake, but I don't want to just show a lot of proof for the matter to prove, because I'm already doing my business successfully. I just want good business partners who can work along with me in the spice trade business, because in the spice trade, the profits are just about 200, 300 percentage. That means you buy something at 100 rupee in dollar value. If you convert and sell, you can easily make 300 to 400 rupees in that same thing. And that I'm talking about small quantity, but in case of exports, it's always like big deals, and the transaction size is like $10,000, $20,000. And even if you have, let's say, 20, 30 good clients who are paying you every single week, you are still going to make about $100,000 to $200,000 value of business in this spice trade business. So you already saw that there's a great amount of profits people are making. 12, 13 crores only from one single product people are making in a spice through Amazon only, right? Same way people are selling here in Etsy also. So this is why I'm showing you, because this is already there. You just have to get started with the business that is easy to do. Easy to do. So coming back to this main important part, what you're getting from me, you're getting from me a plug and play business opportunity. Simply you are having the suppliers and the buyers, and you're working with them as a e-commerce company, that's the middleman, and making that big profit in between because you're based in India. So I want you to take this opportunity today and get started with this ready-made plug and play e-commerce business opportunity. And everything is ready from my side, along with the mentorship and the guidance and the store builder and the buyers database, suppliers database. You can simply get started with this ready-made, fully functional business opportunity. And I'm not charging you, as I said, 50, 60 lakhs. I'm just charging you cost to cost, which is a very small amount of money. So we can grow all together. This is the business opportunity which you should not miss. And yes, you can actually resell this business with a valuation of a few crore rupees. So if you invest in a real estate today, you will only value that real estate property based on the market. But here you will be growing this business and you will make it as a multi-million dollar business. That's how any startup grows. I'll teach you how to value the business and how to make it as a multi-million dollar business. Let's do it together. Let's grow this.